Good evening, friends. Hi, this is your host Sunil Kakani again with a view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for 19th November 2020. Before we give our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, let us understand what we said yesterday and how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed today. Our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty was that it would trade with a positive bias and वही हुआ आज मार्केट में। निफ्टी में हमने पहला टारगेट जो दिया था 12,950 का और आज निफ्टी का हाई था 12,948 विच इज़ बैंग ऑन द टारगेट वी हैव गिवन. In case of Bank Nifty, our target, we have given two targets. First was 29,500 and the second target was 29,700. And both these targets have been achieved in today's trade. And today, Nifty and Bank Nifty both has worked with a positive bias. Now, coming back to the view for tomorrow. Now, our view for tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty, being an expiry day, is positive only. And we expect this rally to continue tomorrow itself. While we agree, yes, Nifty and Bank Nifty is bit stretched. Both, if you see the RSI of both is hovering near 80 basis points. But yes, still, I think there's so much of FI inflows which is coming in the market. The bias is positive only. The target for Nifty and Bank Nifty, the resistance level which will act for tomorrow, the first resistance will be 13,000 and the second resistance will be 13,050 for Nifty. Today, the Nifty closing it as is at around 12,938, which was 64 points above the previous close. So we see a further upside move till 13,000 and 13,050 in case of Nifty. And the support for Nifty is at around 12,860, which will act as a first support, and the final support will be at 12,800. We do not expect any large correction at this point of time in Nifty or Bank Nifty, both the things. Coming to our view on Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Today, Bank Nifty has performed extremely well and it was 568 points above the previous close and has closed at 29,750 points. Our view for tomorrow is that Bank Nifty will capture 30,000 level tomorrow and the first resistance for Bank Nifty will come at 30,150 and the second resistance for Bank Nifty will be at 30,400. As per our view, both this resistance could be tested tomorrow. Bank Nifty, being an expiry day, could rally up to the level of 30,400. In case in case of Bank Nifty, the support area lies at 29,350, which will act as a first support, and 29,000 will act as a final support. We don't see any downside for tomorrow below this level, being an expiry day. However, the bias would be positive for both the indexes. Just a small update on MGL. We have started our coverage on MGL on Diwali. On 15th of this month, the first video that we have put on the channel, we have initiated a coverage on MGL at 860 rupees and with a target of 10 to 15%. Today, CLSA has given a buy recommendation on this same stock MGL with a target of 1350. We maintain a bullish view on this particular stock and this rally will continue and we are very sure that our target will be achieved much before the time that we have said 1 or 2 months. So stay invested. Just one more update we would like to give on this channel is that coming Sunday we will give you 2 stock picks which will perform similar to the MGL. इन केस ऑफ MGL मेरे काफ़ी दोस्तों ने मुझे कॉल करके मैसेज करके थैंक यू बोला है बिकॉज लास्ट 2 दिन में इस स्टॉक ने इतना बेहतरीन अब तक 5% के रिटर्न दे दिए फ्रॉम द लेवल्स दैट वी हैव सजेस्टेड. यूट्यूब पे वीडियो अब भी है, आप जाके देख सकते हैं. हमने हमारा बाय कॉल रिकमेंड स्टार्ट किया था 863 रुपीज़ पे और आज की क्लोजिंग 904 रुपीज़ है. जस्ट विद इन 2 days our friends who have bought 1 or 2 lots have minted money in this particular script. So We are very thankful for having trust on us. We request you that you continue your trust on us and keep liking our channel, keep subscribing to our channel and hit the share button. आप इस चैनल को, इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए सो दैट ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुँचे और हमारी फैमिली ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ती जाए। और इसके एवज में हम आपको और बेहतरीन पिक्स ला के देंगे जो आपको मल्टीपल टाइम्स ऑफ रिटर्न देंगे। बट अगेन वी वुड लाइक टू से that stock market is subject to market risk, and before investing, do take advice from your financial advisor. With this, I end my current video for the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll once again repeat the level. The levels for Nifty for tomorrow is 13,000 and 13,050 on the resistance side, and the support lies at 12,860 and 12,800. For Bank Nifty, the targets that we are seeing for tomorrow is 30,150 and 30,400, and the support is at 29,350 and 29,000. With this, I end my video. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel, do hit the like button, and please do share this video. Thank you very much. Namaste.